In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best apps that you can use to get real life money. I've noticed that many of you guys don't have a computer to start making money using the other methods that I post here on the channel. So I decided to make this top 10 apps that make you money video so you can make money using just your phone. All of these apps are completely free, so it's free money, and I'm going to explain all you have to do to get paid by each one of them. Now, I also want to tell you that I'm doing a free giveaway of 5 memberships to my Pro University course of 1 month. So if you want to enter for a chance to win that 1 month membership, all you have to do is like this video, comment your social media handle so I can contact you, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can share this video with a friend. If your friend wins, you also get 1 month membership as well. So don't hesitate to share this with as many friends as you can, because if they win, you also win. And I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway as soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers. So it's basically free for you to enter. Liking is free, commenting is free, and subscribing is free. In fact, you make money off of doing it, because I post free videos every single week teaching you how you can make money online here on this channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You're missing the future videos. So app number 1 is called Honey Gang. All you have to do to earn money from this app is create an account, sign up, and you're going to start making money at the end of every single month. You don't have to do any work, you don't have to do anything. And if you're wondering how that's even possible, it's because the app runs on the background of your phone to gather information on how you interact with other certain ads from other companies. Don't worry, this ad won't keep getting your information. It's just going to see how you interact with other ads, and it's going to use that information of how you interacted with ads to sell to other companies so they can make you better ads that are more convenient for you. So if you take a look in their website, you're going to see that the average people earn is around $55 every single month. It depends obviously on how much you use. You can earn at least $19 a month and the maximum of $184 a month. It also depends on how many phones you're going to be using it on, but I would say the average you're going to be making with this app is about $55 a month if you don't go all in. It's not life-changing money, but it can definitely help you pay off some credit cards or some late bills that you have right now. So app number 2 is called Clip Claps, and basically what this app does is you watch a video until the end and it pays you a certain amount of money, and once you reach a certain threshold, then you can take that money and exchange it for real life money and cash it out. The website is not going to pay you any huge amount of money. It's going to pay you around $1 to $5 per hour that you use it, and it has some pretty good reviews as well, so that shows that many people are using it. But even that, they're paying you to watch social media, so what else can you get? Hey guys, I just wanted to drop in here really quick and tell you about my new course, which is called Pro University. For you guys that want to make money online and you can't get off the ground, Pro University is going to offer you lots of ways that you can use to make money online. If you're interested in the course, it's only 49 bucks a month, which I can promise you that you're going to be able to make more money than you're going to be spending on it. If you actually follow the lectures inside the course, there's no doubt you will be able to build a profitable business online. If you're struggling to pay credit cards, if you're struggling to pay some bills right now, don't hesitate to check out the course. Inside the course, there's also a Discord group which you're going to have private access to, that I'm in there at least once every single day answering all the questions that you have personally. So that means when you get in the course, apart from all the video tutorials that you're going to be seeing, you're also going to have my help. And on the videos inside Pro University, I'm able to do something that I can't do here on YouTube, which is go in depth into all of these topics, explain every single topic that there is into building a profitable business. And I'm able to do that without having to worry about the YouTube algorithm promoting my video or not. So if you're interested, just click the link below in description. It's called Pro University. It's going to be there for you for 49 bucks a month, and you can even affiliate yourself to the program to be able to earn a 25% commission every time you make a sale. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. App number 3 is called User Fuel, and User Fuel actually pays quite a bit of money. And the way this app works is companies pay you to try out their website and other applications as well. Usually these testings consist of you trying out someone else's website, testing out their apps, taking small surveys, trying to find flaws in someone else's website, rating advertisements. And this app can definitely be worth your time if you're making less than $30 an hour in your current job. All you have to do to sign up to the website to start earning is go into their website or app and click the button Get Paid to Test. All right, on their website it says become a tester and earn around $3 to $30 per test. Each test lasts from 5 to 60 minutes and is completed on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what your customers are looking for from a tester. So you can get paid from $3 to $30 per test. That takes from anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes. So if you're making less than $30 an hour, this is the way to go. The cool thing about this website, if you're underage, is this website pays in Amazon gift cards. So you don't have to be 18 to get paid through this website or this app. If you only have your phone and if you're under 18 and you can't get someone to open a bank account for you or a PayPal account or something of the sort, you can just come to this website, do some tests. You can do, I think, up to 5 to 6 tests every single day, and you can get paid in Amazon gift cards so you don't have to cash out. App number 4 is called Money App. This app pays you to do certain tasks, and it has a very, very good rating on the App Store. So the way this app works, it makes you test someone's kind of game that hasn't been released yet, and makes you play a certain amount of levels, and you get about $5 each time you do it. The developers of the apps or the games, they give you certain tasks like finding bugs on their stuff, and if you can find it, they will compensate you for it. On average, this app can pay you up to $10 per day for doing this stuff. And the way you get paid for this website is every time you reach a certain threshold, you get paid in coins and you can exchange them for real life money. The downside to this app is that the only way that you can cash out through this website is using PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account or if you're not 18, then you're going to have to find someone that can help you out. App number 5 is called FOAP. It's an app that we've covered here on the channel before, and this app is great because it pays you to do something that you're probably already doing, and that thing is taking photos. So instead of taking pictures of things and posting it into Instagram, which you don't make any money, you can easily sell them to FOAP. This website pays so well that if you're really good at taking photos and videos, they can pay up to $20 each. And if you're a photographer and you know how to take really good photos, you can accept missions inside the app, which companies pay the app for a specific type of photo. And if you can take that photo, then they will pay you really well for those photos or videos. App number 6 called Dosh. So the way this app works, it pays you to do something that you already do, which is online shopping. So let's say you buy a t-shirt online and that t-shirt costs you $50. When you buy that t-shirt, your $50 is gone. But if you buy that same t-shirt through Dosh, they'll give you 10% cash back. So just by using Dosh, you got the same t-shirt for $45 instead of $50. So the way this works is the company that's selling the t-shirt gives Dosh an affiliate link, and every time you make a purchase through Dosh website, they earn a commission every time they make a sale. So it's kind of like the t-shirt costs $50. The company gives Dosh $10 discount on that shirt. And when I buy it, Dosh gives me a 5% discount, so it keeps half of it and gives me half. App number 7, Google Opinion Rewards. This is another app that we've talked here on the channel before. You've probably heard that you can get paid to do surveys on the internet before, but you know that those surveys pay peanuts, right? Or don't pay at all. But this is actually a Google app. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. And if you know anything about Google, then you know they're credit worthy. This app alone on the App Store has 158,000 5-star reviews. So people love it. So on Google website, they say that they pay $1 per survey that takes an average 20 seconds to complete. So if you can do about 2 surveys per minute, which would take you about 40 seconds each minute, it would add up to $120 per hour. App number 8, Field Agent. So the way this app works is brands will pay you to act as a customer and go to retail stores and see how their product is being presented in the store. So basically, you're going to pretend that you're a customer, you're going to go to some supermarket and you're going to see how the products that the company is selling in that supermarket are being shown on the shelves. You're going to take pictures, report it back to the company, and you're going to get paid for that. To you, this might sound like something trivial, but companies pay tens of thousands of dollars for specific places on the shelves where their products are more likely to be bought. And if they're not being placed on those certain shelves, then they're probably losing a lot of money. And that's where Field Agent comes in. Pays you to go to the supermarket for them and see how their product is being listed on the shelves. And the app works with mission. An average mission takes from 5 to 10 minutes and pays anywhere from $4 to $15. And if you go to a busy area like a mall, then you're probably going to have a lot of jobs that you can do at the same time. App number 9, TaskRabbit. This is an app that I use myself, and this is an app that people use to get paid more than 6 figures a year. So what does TaskRabbit do exactly? So if you need anything to be fixed in your house, like plumbing or that kind of stuff, you can just go into TaskRabbit and find someone to do it for you, all the way down to cleaning. So if you want a list of some of those: furniture assembly, home repairs, help moving, cleaning, mounting, yard work, shopping, delivery, lifting, those are all things that you can find people to help you do inside the app. And if you know how to do any of these things, then you can list yourself as one of those. And trust me when I say people pay a lot of money for people in TaskRabbit to do this stuff. The average hourly rate on TaskRabbit is over $80 an hour. So this app can easily be your full-time career, making you more than 6 figures a year. And number 10 is social media. And don't worry, you don't have to be famous, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to make videos, you don't have to speak on microphone, you don't have to do anything. If you want to learn how that works, you can just click this video right now and I'll show you in that video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.